What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Chop. Sorry I haven't been uploading any content. I kind of been just living life, traveling, stuff like that. But it's time to get serious and back to business. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple and basic scrambled eggs. Alright, here are the ingredients I'll be using in this video. I got my pepper, I got my vegeta, which is vegetable salt. I got butter, and then I got my eggs. In this video, I'll be using only 4 eggs, but you can use more, up to you. Alright guys, let's start scrambling these eggs. So what we want to first do, depending on how many eggs you're going to be using, you want to grab yourself a bowl, either a small, large, or a medium. In this video, I'm only using 4, so I got myself a small bowl. So once you get a small bowl, or the bowl you're going to use, you want to crack open your eggs, put them inside the bowl. I like to use a fork to scramble my eggs, but you can use a whisk. Depends on whatever your preference is. So just what you're going to do is you're going to just break the yolk first, and then you want to just start beating your eggs up like this. Once you're done beating your egg, throw in about a teaspoon of pepper. And then same thing with the vegeta. Once you get that done, whisk it up in there. Alright, let's start cooking these bad boys. Alright, let's start cooking these scrambled eggs. So what you want to do is grab yourself a small or a medium-sized pan. Set it on a burner. You want to set it at about a medium heat. You want to put some butter inside. Just like that. Once all that butter cooks, so it's starting to bubble up a little bit, which is perfect. Now you want to just throw in your scrambled eggs. This time, just like that. And using like a spatula like this, you want to just do that. If you just move your spatula around like this, you'll eventually pick up scrambled eggs like that. Boom! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your basic and simple scrambled eggs. Can't get any simpler than that. So you can also add some sides to it now. You can also add some bacon, some ham, some sausages, also some veggies. Totally up to you if you want to take it up a notch. So if you really like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for upcoming wonderful videos. Also, don't forget to check out my Facebook page at Cooking House of Pitakaru. So we'll see you guys next time right here on Chop.